Ibi táwọn dé dúró lónìí nípa ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n dá lónìí ni pé ìwé àkọsílẹ̀ tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó kọ ní ilé ní Sábó police station nígbà tó fi lọ́jọ́ tán tíṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n táwọn sọ ni pé kí ilé ẹjọ́ má gbà wọlé nítorí pé nígbà tán bá gba nǹkan àkọsílẹ̀ nínú pẹ̀lú pani tipátipá ni ilé ẹjọ́ ṣe ìgbẹ́jọ́ lórí àkọsílẹ̀ yẹn pé bóyá kọ́re ilé ẹjọ́ gbà wọlé tàbí kí ilé ẹjọ́ má gbà wọlé ṣùgbọ́n ilé ẹjọ́ wá sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ sí èní fún ìdájọ́ lórí ìwé yẹn so nǹkan tí ilé ẹjọ́ sọ ní sí pé ilé ẹjọ́ ti gba àkọsílẹ̀ wọlé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀rí nílé ẹjọ́ so èyí tí ilé ẹjọ́ dẹ̀ wá gba ìwé yẹn àwọn náà wá fi ìfọ̀rọ̀wẹ́nuwò ìyẹn pro-examination fún ẹlẹ́rìí fún tí ìjọba gbé wá ìyẹn Ọ̀nàmẹ́ Abigail ìyẹn ni ọlọ́pàá tó gba àkọsílẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ní Sábó police station ní on the 19 of April tíṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ òyìn náà làwọn afárá béèrè àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀yẹ for examination so ní báyìí àwọn ìjọba ìyẹn tó pé Láńrè Ìjẹ̀ṣà lẹ́jọ́ àwọn ti parí kéèsì tiwọn lónìí so ilé ẹjọ́ ti wá sí ìgbẹ́jọ́ fún olùjẹ́jọ́ ìyẹn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà láti wá sọ tiẹ̀ so gbogbo kiri orílẹ̀ láti ṣe látọjọ́ yìí tí àwọn tọ́pẹ́jọ́ láti ṣe ṣùgbọ́n láti ọjọ́ 26th of January tó sọ ẹjọ́ sí ló máa wá kàn tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló ti jẹ́ nìyẹn. ọ̀gá táwọn fi ọ̀rọ̀ wá ẹlẹ́rìí yẹn pé ó nínú ẹ̀rí tó jẹ́ ó ti kọ́kọ́ sọ pé wọ́n ya aṣọ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé só mọ̀ pé kóun tó débẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ yẹn pé wọ́n ti na bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó wá ṣàlàyé pé ọmọ yẹn gangan ló na bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
More pictures. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. Okay, people, we dey drink. Tonight they bring on another live update from the High Court here in Ijesa, where the actor Baba Ijesa come back to court to continue his trial on top the alleged child molestation case. Kokobi say the case come up today in court as the actor being come up to talk say he want made the court cancel the actor being come up to say he want made the court cancel the alleged the statement we make in court earlier say he claims say he make the statement under duress. But as the court case come up today, the judge rule say no be true say make that statement under duress. And sake of that, the judge say the case must continue. The trial of Baba Ijesa must continue. Another one be the situation of things. So as we talk now, the trial has continued again. It don't continue for here for Lagos, southwest of Nigeria. That's not the car we carry Baba Ijesa come out from court, and the person where they come out now one of the witnesses will come follow do give one for our page bbc.com/page in our website be that. But for now, make I give one a full brief. Inside court, Baba Ijesa appear on one red top where he used wearing face mask, enter witness box. They call accused boss. Now there he stand throughout the session today. Will last for about 1 hour. He been don't request the court where the court cancel the statement where he make to police when they are there, and as we they talk, they continue the trial and calling one witness. The witness now the IPO way been there in charge of the case. When the case starts, she enter make her own statements on top of how the case take they go. He talk about how he take statement from Baba Ijesa and how he take later hand over the case to the police station Panti where Conde in charge of that particular case. The judge don't rule now say this case will continue by January 26th, 2022, and so they don't adjourn the case. Baba Ijesa they face alleged child molestation case. Say he penetrate a minor and say he abused a minor. It's not some of the points with the inside the allegation with the table against Nollywood actor Baba Ijesa, where his original name na Olari Waju James. So as it be, say court been ruled initially after he arrest where he spent months inside court been ruled say in get case to answer for that matter where they bring up. In as much as later he can collect bail from the court still continue with the trial. So if they from his house they come the trial since the trial start, and that trial na him supposed to continue today. But during the last sitting, he been demand made them cancel the statement may make. Say he know they comfortable with that statement where he make say he do under duress. But as court don't rule today say he no do under duress. That statement don't they readmitted, and the court go to use that statement for the trial. The trial will continue again by next month. That next month, now be next year, also January 26th. And we go there here also for Ikeja to give one of the updates as it they happen, how it they happen. So for pictures of what happened for court and for other proceedings will happen inside court today, on a Fienta website, and for that to read what they happen for Nigeria, or that to read what they happen all over the world.